if you take a hit traffic wise, you can activate ads to try and fill the void, or you can use it to help get a bit of traffic to a growing site or a brand new site. What other kind of roles do ads play, do you think, in SEO?
I think it's what worked really well for me in the past is diversifying your portfolio of advertising, so or marketing rather, I should say. I mean, they're both kind of similar anyway. But so say you want to do marketing, so you have one channel. A primary channel might be SEO, so you have that covered. Then you have PPC. Then you have social media. Then you have email marketing, maybe. You might have some physical type of advertising. You might deal with the press to get like press releases and news and stuff like that. Um, and having all of those combined together and by working together is the best way to make it function, have the rankings and stuff like that, which I think is the biggest positive that you can have on that kind of level. I think PPC is a big part of that. And when it comes to SEO specifically, um, what sometimes that we had was we'd have a search result at the top, sorry, a paid search result at the top, then our page will be second, and then we'd have like site links or something like that. When you have it like that, it basically creates, which is funny when we get to the next part, a monopoly on that search term because
Yeah.
you have every single result possible covered. Like you have everything. And that's what a lot of companies like try to do with a lot of the products on Google anyway, and on other types of advertising too.